Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. EV affordability stalls, Xi's meeting with U.S. executives, oil prices plunge on China data, Devon Energy surpasses expectations, Musk's Neuralink vision chip update, Intel's 18A chip production progress, Toast meets revenue expectations, Upstart stock tumbles after Q3 results, and Rivian ends Amazon exclusivity. Stay tuned after this short ad break to delve deeper into these headlines. Affordability of electric vehicles continues to pose a hurdle, leading to a dip in demand and affecting shares of companies such as Tesla, Rivian Automotive, and Lucid Group. Emmanuel Rossner from Deutsche Bank indicates that this might persistently strain earnings and share values. However, Tesla's shares have witnessed substantial growth in contrast to other car manufacturers who have seen a downturn.
The president of China, Xi Jinping, has a scheduled meeting with business leaders from the United States at the Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation Summit taking place in San Francisco. The aim of this meeting is to provide reassurance to foreign investors in light of the ongoing trade disputes. In previous meetings, notable figures such as Tim Cook from Apple and Mark Zuckerberg from Meta have been present. The duration of the summit is from November 11th to 17th, with a special gathering for CEOs planned between November 14th and 16th.
The energy sector has seen a decrease of 2.5%, leading to the most significant losses on the S&P 500 for today. This is as a result of U.S. crude oil falling below $80 per barrel, marking its lowest point since the end of August. The reason behind this drop is attributed to worries about China's decreased demand for imported crude and a global lackluster consumption of manufactured goods.
Devon Energy's third-quarter results surpassed predictions, reporting a non-GAAP earnings per share of $1.65, along with revenue amounting to $3.84 billion. This is in spite of a year-on-year decline of 29.3%. The firm experienced a 10% rise in production per share, enhanced well productivity, and managed to double its free cash flow to $843 million. Devon further fortified its financial position through debt reduction and boosting cash balances to $761 million. Looking forward, the company anticipates fourth-quarter capital ranging from $870 to $930 million and aims to maintain oil production at approximately 315,000 barrels per day in 2024.
Elon Musk's company, Neuralink, which specializes in neurotechnology, is currently working on the development of a vision chip. It is anticipated that this chip will be ready within the next few years. This project comes after their ongoing endeavor to create a brain chip. The purpose of this brain chip is to assist individuals who are paralyzed by restoring their ability to move and enabling them to control devices using only their thoughts. Neuralink has been granted permission to conduct human trials and has recently secured funding amounting to $280 million.
Pat Gelsinger, the chief executive officer of Intel, has recently declared a favorable advancement in their foundry business. The company is planning to initiate test production of advanced 18A node chips in the upcoming year. Even with stiff competition from Taiwan Semiconductor and Samsung, Intel's foundry division experienced an almost 300% surge in revenue during the last quarter. Furthermore, Gelsinger emphasized on the potential contribution of ARM-based chips towards enhancing Intel's business.
The third-quarter report of Toast Incorporated reveals a generally accepted accounting principles earnings per share of -9 cents, which surpasses expectations by 1 cent. The revenue reached $1.3 billion, marking a 37% increase compared to the same period last year. The annual recurring revenue experienced a growth of 40%, amounting to approximately $1.218 billion. Additionally, the gross payment volume saw an increase of 34%, totaling around $33.7 billion due to an expansion in total locations by the same percentage rate. Despite these positive figures, there was a significant drop in shares by over 16%.
The stock of Upstart Holdings experienced a 15% drop following the Q3 earnings and revenue, as well as Q4 guidance, which did not meet the expectations of Wall Street. The growth of the AI-driven lending platform has been hindered by high mortgage rates. For Q4, the company is projecting a revenue around $135 million, which falls short of the anticipated $157.6 million. Despite this slower growth rate, CEO Dave Gerard maintains an optimistic outlook. He highlights their ongoing investment in both their teams and core AI.
Rivian Automotive, a manufacturer of electric vehicles, has surpassed the revenue estimates for the third quarter and reported a loss smaller than anticipated. Over 16,000 vehicles were produced by the company in Q3, with an expectation to manufacture 54,000 units by year-end. Despite a rise in operating costs, Rivian's emphasis on cost reduction has yielded positive results. The company also intends to market commercial vans to independent parties following the termination of its exclusive agreement with Amazon. And that's a wrap on the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay savvy, stay informed. Until next time, keep chasing those financial dreams. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's been a pleasure, until we meet again tomorrow.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.